to hear her debate.
Next,
You know, she's got a schoolgirl crush on you.
All Central High team, Marjorie McDonough.
Mr. Chairman, honorable judges, worthy opponents, ladies and gentlemen, the arguments advanced by our opponents of Polytechnic High are based upon a familiar but rather ignoble symbol, $. They have argued that we should keep the Marines in Nicaragua because American occupation of that republic below the Rio Grande will raise the standard of living of the Nicaraguans and enable them to buy American plumbing. Ladies and gentlemen, would you turn in liberty for a bathtub? This country of ours, our wonderful United States of America, was founded by men who traded their property, their very lives, all they had, for the priceless gift of freedom. All that our opponents can talk about is how much money the United States has. Well, I don't care how much money we have. Maybe we are the richest country in the world, but I don't think that means so much unless we share the freedom we have and bring it to other people. Where is the conscience, the heart of America? Where is the conscience, the heart of America? If we can say, give us liberty or give us death, then we have no right to tell the people of Nicaragua that they should take bathtubs instead of freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, I say to you, take the Marines out of Nicaragua. We Americans fought in 76, in 1860, and in 1918 to make the world safe for democracy. And we'd do it again and again and again if we had to. Don't let us ever forget our brave past. Don't let the flag of the United States mean bathtubs and plumbing instead of liberty to the people of South America. I say to you, take the Marines out of Nicaragua and bring them home to defend liberty always, but never plumbing. He came. My father came.